Dressed to impress. Unpacking. Dressed to the hilt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're going to explore a vibrant expression that's all about making a strong impression with your attire. Dressed to the hilt. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to be dressed in such a way, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, dressed to the hilt, is a colorful English idiom that means someone is dressed very formally or elaborately, often to the point of extravagance. It's used to describe someone who is wearing very stylish, high-end clothing, possibly for a special occasion, and is making sure every detail of their outfit is perfect. The word, hilt, traditionally refers to the handle of a sword, which is usually the most decorated part. So, metaphorically speaking, being dressed to the hilt means you're dressed as fully and impressively as possible, much like a sword is crafted right up to its handle. The origins of the phrase, dressed to the hilt, are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have derived from the way people would admire swords that were ornately designed right up to their hilts. Over time, this admiration for thorough craftsmanship and detail was applied to the way people dress. It suggests not just dressing well, but doing so with an attention to detail and a sense of completeness and perfection. This idiom is perfect for situations where someone is dressed exceptionally well, often for a formal event like a wedding, gala, or a high-end social gathering. It's a great way to compliment someone's appearance or to describe your own effort in preparing for a special occasion. For example, if you're attending a black tie event and you choose your outfit with the utmost care, making sure every piece is just right, you could say you're dressed to the hilt. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. For her wedding day, she was dressed to the hilt, with every detail of her outfit and accessories perfectly chosen. Seeing everyone dressed to the hilt at the award ceremony made the evening even more glamorous. I have an important job interview tomorrow, and I plan to be dressed to the hilt to make the best impression. There you have it, the essence of being dressed to the hilt. It's all about dressing in your best, paying attention to the details, and making sure you're as stylish and polished as can be. Whether for a special event or to make an outstanding first impression, being dressed to the hilt is about presenting yourself in the best possible light. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more intriguing aspects of the English language and culture.